So here I am in a local store, and I just wanted to demonstrate how smooth this Reyhee scooter is. It just rolls along quietly. You can hear I have the original audio attached there. You hear how quiet it is and how quickly it brakes and how much it turns. Just a real pleasure to drive whenever you're taking it to a store or a park. It's really, really nice, comfortable, and efficient getting around, and you'll be able to go in all the different sections in a store, and all stores allow mobility scooters in them, so you're not going to have any problem with that. So I just wanted to give this footage so you see how smooth it is and how quiet it really runs. Very impressed with it.